The LiquidFlow 30M machine has two reservoirs which are feeding down into the gear pumps. They feed through two manually operated ball valves which we can isolate the gear pump from. So we can turn this on and off on both the A side and the B side. The reservoirs can be up to 12 litre capacity. So we have 12 litres or we have 6 litres. When we have 12 litres, the heating is on the side, so we have a side heating jacket. On the 6 litre, we have the heating on the base. The reservoir can be fitted with an electric agitator for keeping fillers in suspension, and we can plug this in. There's a flying connector to be plugged in from here to connect in the electrics onto the machine. We have, in this particular version, we have the low level sensors, which we can use to stop the machine, or we can use it just to alarm when you get to a low level condition. The tanks come with high level sockets as well, so we can put a high level sensor in the machine and we can have automatic bulk feeding. So the top socket is where we would connect our transfer pump for automatic bulk feeding. The bottom socket here is for where we put the secondary level sensor, and that will then determine whether the automatic transfer system starts or stops. The material is gravity fed down into the gear pumps. So we have these two high precision gear pumps on the outlets. They are driven by 110 volt or 230 volt if you're in Europe. Motors, so geared motors, which turn these gear pumps, which in turn feed the hoses up to a mixing head. Now this mixing head is a handheld trigger operated version, okay, where we put the mixer valve, the mixer nozzle is attached to the end of the mixer valve, and then we can dispense the mixed material. So this particular version is a handheld trigger operated unit, but we can also supply this with a foot pedal control instead. The machine actually also comes with overpressure switches, so this protects each gear pump with an overpressure. They can be set to 60 bar normal operating pressure if it's a standard pump, or we can use 180 bar gear pumps, in which case we normally select the 130 bar pressure switches, really just to protect the A and B gear pumps.